Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I am Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I am here with some great news. I am launching today the headless browser API.com website, which will resolve a great issue that you guys had. So until now, if you have the idea that you would like to scrape JavaScript generated content using, for example, Crawlomatic, then you had to install Puppeteer or Phantom.js or even Tor if you would like to scrape some onion links. But this would require some technical knowledge from your part to be able to install these on your server and use them with the plugin. Or it would be even impossible if you would have a shared hosting where your hosting provider is not allowing you to install these extensions or headless browsers. So to resolve this issue, I come today with headlessbrowserapi.com. This is a website which will host an API to which my plugins will be able to connect and get the response from any website and get its HTML code in a rendered format. So this API will render websites in a headless browser and will return their HTML code using the API that it hosts. So right now this website is not finished yet. I cannot offer pricing info and any other info because I still have to finish this site and launch it. So this is just a video for a heads up that this service is on the way and it will be available soon. So once this is finished, I will integrate it in all my plugins which scrape content. So expect it in Crawlomatic, expect it in Echo RSS, which imports RSS feeds, expect it even in Newsomatic and all plugins that will scrape content. Also, this API will be available to the public. So if you wish, you can get a subscription for it and build your own tool on top of it and scrape any content from the internet using headless browsers with this API. So just a quick demonstration because I have it already set up. All is missing is the pricing info and some more finishing touches to this site. So I already have the API working and let me show it in action. So if we go to this URL, we can use Puppeteer to get content from this website. So if I refresh this page, we can see that the loading process started and this is a valid API key right now, and the plugin will start scraping this website, and once this X disappears, the loading will be finished and the website will return a similar JSON. So you will have URL and the scraping finished, the URL that you just scraped, and the HTML that the service returns. So your tools or anything you build on the top of this API will be able to grab all this HTML from here and simply process it, and all you have to do is strip slashes on it because it has slashes added. So strip slashes from it and you will have a fully usable HTML for this website with JavaScript content rendered in it. So this is the new API that will be launched soon. When it will be ready, I will be back with a new video on this and will update you guys on this site's availability. So thank you for watching this video until the end. Please subscribe to this channel to get notified each time I release a new video, because a new video will be released when this API will be finished also, and it will be released to public. So keep in mind, if you wish to scrape JavaScript generated content and you don't want to install on your server Phantom.js or Puppeteer or Tor browsers, then you can use this API and it will be integrated to my plugins. Also, if you wish to scrape onion links, this will be also possible because the API will support also the Tor browser, the online router browser. So yeah, the onion router, not online, sorry. Okay, so this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed these videos, and until next time, have a nice day, stay safe, bye bye.